Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a remote team culture with Slack detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a remote team culture with Slack starts with defining your team's mission and values. Clearly communicate these to everyone in the Slack workspace. Use the channels feature to create dedicated spaces for different topics. Encourage team members to share updates in the appropriate channels. Implement regular stand-up meetings to maintain engagement. Utilize the video call feature for face-to-face interactions. Make use of the Slack bot to set reminders for important dates and events. Create social channels for non-work related conversations. Encourage sharing of personal milestones such as birthdays and anniversaries. Host virtual coffee breaks to foster informal interactions. Leverage Slack integrations to streamline workflows and reduce task overload. Recognize team achievements publicly in dedicated channels. Promote a culture of feedback by creating a channel for suggestions. Foster inclusivity by being mindful of different time zones in communications. Encourage team members to share resources and articles relevant to your industry. Utilize polls to gather team input on decisions or fun activities. Establish a clear onboarding process for new hires through Slack. Create guidelines for communication to reduce misunderstandings. Maintain transparency by sharing company-wide information regularly. Encourage a healthy work-life balance by respecting off-hours communications. Monitor engagement levels and adjust strategies based on team feedback. Continuously evaluate your remote culture and adapt as needed. Remember, cultivating a strong remote culture takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.